Okay, we got an air fan, air blower, fan, whatever you call it. It's electric fan that it doesn't have a blade, so it's bladeless. So we're gonna see what does this look like, how does it work, is it worth the money that we paid, because it gets hot in summertime around in here, and just hanging on the AC is not efficient and it gets expensive. So I thought I should get a electric fan, something stylish, something not Dyson that it's like $300-400, half the price, looks good, and hopefully it works good too. Well, so far it's a good looking, nice packaged. It's a NUMIFUN fan. There's the remote control. Okay, let's pull this up. This is tight packed. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna put this on the ground. Okay. Wow, that's some good looking thing. Real good looking fan. Looks like a miracle design. Everything packed up nicely and real good. It's rotating at the bottom. Let's power this up, see what's going on. Okay, this is the on-off button. Everything is touch. It's a flat surface. I assume this is the speed. I don't need to look for the manual. I mean, it got some nice manual that explains everything, most likely, but it's just a fan, nothing rocket science, even though it looks like a rocket. This thing is blowing pretty good. This is probably the outdoor option. This is the night option. Swings around, rotating. Rotates at the base. It's blowing pretty good. It's not like a Dyson. I had one of those testing before. Those are loud and fast. They just make a tornado, believe it or not. I guess when you pay $400, but this is pretty decent. Got a little flag over here. Can show you another way. This is a heavy microfiber towel. That blows pretty good. This is the timer. Okay, we should force it by hand. Okay. You can go 4, 6, 7, 7.5 hours. on the timer. Let's see how the remote works. There's the remote control. I assume, I'm hoping that there's battery in it. Yep. Just have to pull this off. Turns off. Turns on. Speed settings. I can't do it behind me, it doesn't work, so it needs the infrared. Has to see each other. Okay. You can probably hear it. It's got a good fan in it. This is the back of it. You can see the inside. Hold the flashlight maybe. This is a fan that looks like what's in your furnace. The blower fan. Simple design, basic, clean, stylish, looks nice. This definitely goes to the kids' bedroom. Alright, that's all from me. I think this is a good fan for what you pay. You're not paying for $500 and you still get the wind blowing in your face.